Why think when AI can do it all from A to Z?
You're using a time machine just to buy bread, Dash.
I have time for games. Well, you have a headache. Who's the genius now?
That's opportunity cost. When you shove AI into trivial tasks,
But I have a whole pile of finished homework. Look at this.
I'm using AI again to help me understand how to bend space.
Everyone just use it to slack off, Vivi.
But if you use it as a second brain, the only limit is imagination.
Looks fancy. But the points are all the same.
To put it simply, you're letting AI lift weights for you. Do you think you're getting any stronger?
Oh no. Watch out! What treasure!
That's why I choose to lift weights myself, Dash.
Sir, here are 1,000,000 problems solved.
And this is the jet engine model designed by me and AI together.
Ah! What is the principle behind this?
Well, AI said so.
We must be the ones to ask questions. AI is just a calculating tool.
Crack, crack, crack!
Opportunity isn't about who finishes fastest. But it's about who goes the furthest.
Can you teach me how to use that to expand my brain?
Here, this is for you. It contains everything you need to start. Start by coming up with the questions yourself. AI will help you draw the rest.
All right, goodbye. Useless Pebbles! Now, let's build
A fleet together.